Backstitch is one of the basic stitches in embroidery. It is called backstitch because it s worked in a backward direction. We start by bringing the needle up from point 1 and making a straight stitch till point 2, as you can see in the video. Next, pull your needle up from point 3, and instead of moving forward like in the running stitch, go backward and insert your needle into point 2, which now also becomes point 4. This will create a continuous line with 2 stitches. Now bring the needle up from point 5 and take it backward into point 6. Just like this, continue to complete your entire line. So basically the backstitch forms a continuous line. There are no gaps because each stitch goes into the end of the previous one. We use the backstitch for outlines, detailing, and even for lettering. Stitches like stem stitch, split stitch, and many others in embroidery are part of the backstitch family. Now let's learn how to do lettering using the backstitch. Start by bringing the needle up from the starting point and making a stitch of the desired length. Keep using the same length for the whole letter. As we just learned, each stitch should be made in a backward direction. While doing lettering with backstitch, make sure all your stitches are of equal length. And where you see curves, you can use smaller stitches to follow the shape neatly. Once you master the backstitch, all other stitches will become much easier for you. So make sure to practice it well. And that's how we do lettering using the backstitch. This is what the back looks like. Very neat and clean. Can't wait to see what you create using the backstitch. Happy embroidering!